everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you 4 of the best editing apps you can use right now. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or just want to level up your editing skills, I'll give you a quick but real review of each, what they're good for, how easy they are to use, and why you might want to download them today. First up, CapCut. If you're into making short videos or editing for TikTok or YouTube Shorts, this app is a game changer. CapCut is completely free and has a ton of features you'd expect from a professional editor. You can cut, trim, add music, voiceovers, and even apply trending effects with just a few taps. What really makes CapCut stand out is its automatic captions, AI background remover, and built-in templates. These features save you so much time. It also supports 4K video export and has no watermark if you export properly, which is rare in free apps. It's owned by the same company as TikTok, so a lot of its features are designed for social media. Overall, if you're a beginner or even a pro, CapCut is one of the best free video editors out there. Next is inshot. This is another fantastic video editor, especially for mobile content creators. What I love about inshot is its simple, clean interface. You don't need to be an expert. Everything is drag and drop, and you can edit videos, add music, stickers, and even create photo slideshows. It's great for Instagram Reels, YouTube intros, and everyday vlogs. You also get good control over things like video speed, background blur, canvas size, and filters. The free version does add a watermark, but you can remove it with a small one-time payment, not a monthly subscription. If you're looking for a fast and easy editor without getting overwhelmed by too many tools, inshot is a perfect choice. Now let's talk about Picsart. This app is like the Photoshop of mobile. It's more for photo editing, but it also has some video features. With Picsart, you can do everything from simple touch-ups to crazy creative edits. You can remove backgrounds, add text, play with double exposure effects, and even draw directly on your images. There are a ton of filters and AI tools that make your photos stand out. And if you love creating content for Instagram or Pinterest, Picsart gives you templates and design tools to help with that. The only downside is that some features are locked behind a premium plan, but the free version still has more than enough for most users. Whether you're editing selfies, making thumbnails, or designing posters, Picsart is a must-have. And finally, Adobe Lightroom Mobile. If you're into professional photo editing, Lightroom is the best choice. It's perfect for those who want their photos to look cinematic, clean, and color-balanced. You get access to advanced tools like exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, and color grading. The interface is simple, but the results are powerful. You can also save and apply your own presets or use the free ones from creators online. One of the best features is the selective adjustment tool, where you can edit just a part of the photo, like brightening only the sky or softening the background. The free version is great, but if you want full access, like healing tools or masking, you'll need the premium plan. Still, for photographers or serious content creators, Lightroom is worth every second you spend learning it.